Good morning, students, and welcome back to our online English class. I'm Teacher Paul, and let's go now to our new lesson.
Okay, some and any, we use them in a sentence that is positive and negative. But first that, we should also learn the countables and uncountable nouns. Okay, when we say countable noun, these are the things that we can count. Okay, and when we say uncountable noun, these are the things that we can't count. Okay. Example for countable noun, book, two books, three books. As you can see here, you can count in your fingers like 1, 2, 3. You can say the numbers in exact. But when we say uncountable noun, these are the nouns that we cannot count. Like for example, water. We cannot count water. What else? Milk. We can't count milk. Sugar. Okay, those are the example of countable and uncountable nouns. So, we use some in any again. Number one, when exact number is not known or we don't know how the exact number, we use some and any. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Okay. In some, we use it in positive sentences. Okay. Example, when positive sentences. Example, there are some apples on the table. Okay, as you can see, countable apples. Is there some water? There is some water in the glass. As you can see here, some water, uncountable. So we can use that in positive sentence. Okay, in other hand, we use any to ask questions and negative sentences. Example, for asking a question, we use, are there any apples in the basket? Is there any milk in the fridge? Okay, we use questions. Okay, and any in negative form, there are not or aren't any apples in the basket. There is not or isn't any milk in the fridge. So always remember these are the negative form, negative word. Are not, aren't, is not, isn't. Okay. Now, last meeting we have this activity. Can you read it one more time? You can see here some and any. For positive sentence, we use some. Everybody read. I have 1, 2, 3, go.
I have some milk.
Next.
I have some tea.
Very good.
I have some milk. I have some apples.
Very good. Next, negative sentences. I don't have any butter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't have any battery. I don't have any grapes.
Very good.
I don't have any grapes. I don't have any ice cream.
Good job. Okay, so always remember when we use some, we talk the positive sentences. Okay? And we use any for asking a question and negative sentences. So that is some and any. Now let's go now to our new lesson, much or many. We use this how much or how many. So, do you have any idea when do we use much and any? Okay, listen. So, look at these pictures. Can you count these things? Okay, can you count these things? Flower? Can you count flower? Yes or no? Yes, we can count flower. Sand. Can you count sand? No, we cannot count sand. How about this one? Rhino or animal. Can we count? Yes.
Yes.
How about boat? Can we count boat?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about water? Can we count water?
No.
No. So uncountable. So sugar, can we count sugar?
No.
No. So uncountable. Grapes, can we count grapes?
Yes.
The use of many. So if we can count it, we use many. Can you follow the use of much or many? How much? How many? So if we can count the things, we use many. Everybody say many.
Many.
Okay, many. Mak,
Many.
mak, mak. Many. Okay, examples. Flowers. Can we count? Yes. We say too many flowers.
Too
Okay,
many flowers.
yes. Next, what is this one? Grapes. We use grapes. We can count it. We use many. I ate so
I ate so many grapes that I
felt sick.
felt
Okay,
sick.
if you eat many grapes, you felt sick. Okay, next. How about this one? Boat.
Many. What can you see?
Okay,
Can you see?
so we use many. Next, if you can't count,
How many?
we use much. Everybody say
How
much.
much sand did you?
Okay, if we can count the things, we use much. Example, this one, sand. Everybody say sand.
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 Okay, how much sand do you need?
Sand.
Okay, next. This one, water. Everybody say water. Okay, let's read. There is too much water on the floor. Clean it up. Clean it up. Okay, next.
On the floor.
Okay, so what are the things we need to remember when using much or many?
For several things to use many.
Very good.
Several things use much.
Very good. So always remember that rule. For countable things, we use many. For uncountable things, we use much. So I know you already know this countable and uncountable. So let's go now to this example. Okay, can you complete these sentences using much or many? Okay,
How many orange juice do you want?
okay, how many orange juice do you want? Is that correct?
How much?
Yes, how much? Because orange juice is uncountable. Say that?
No.
Orange juice is uncountable. Okay, but when we say just orange, is countable. When orange, only orange is countable, but this is two-word, orange juice. So this is uncountable. So we use much. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. When the question is, how orange juice do you want? So we can use many. How many orange juice do you want? But in these examples, orange juice is uncountable. Okay, next example.
How many cookies do you eat?
How many cookies do you eat? Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. Because cookies is countable.
Countable now.
Very good. Okay, next. There are
There are two.
Many.
Many people in line.
in line. Very good. There are many people in line. So people is countable. Okay, next.
He put
Many. Many.
Many.
So
He
much.
put
He put
so
so many.
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 Okay, remember the rules for countable and uncountable? Salt is uncountable, isn't it? We cannot count salt, so we use much,
Much.
isn't it? Yes. He put so much salt in the soup, so it tasted horrible. So this word horrible meaning it's not taste good. Okay. Horrible. Okay, next.
The teacher gave
The teacher gave you too much.
many homework.
Okay, let's study this one. Homework. Can we count or can we can count homework?
We can count.
We can count, but we are not sure. If we can count, there should be S here, homeworks. Isn't it? So this is
Much.
much, uncountable, isn't it? Uncountable. Homework,
Homework.
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 Okay, we used it as uncountable. Okay. When countable here, we add S, letter S, homeworks. Like that we can count. But this one, we don't have letter S there. So, meaning this is uncountable. Okay, next.
I say many.
I saw
I saw many.
I
many.
saw two cats in the tree.
Okay, as this example, two cans, there is letter S there to make the word plural, so countable. Okay, now try this one. Number one.
How much home?
How much homework do you have?
Very good. Number two.
How much sugar do you want in your tea?
How much sugar do you want in your tea? Very good. Next. Number three.
How many apples?
How many apples are there? Okay, very good. Number four.
How many teachers do you see?
Very good. Many. Next, number five.
How much milk do you want?
Very good. Number six. Desk or table.
How many do you
Again, please.
how many do you
Very good. How many? That's number 7.
how many books are on
Many
the
books are to the exit.
Okay, many books. And next, number 8.
how much work do you have?
Very good. So as you can see here, example, homework, sugar, much, and work. Okay, all those words don't have letter S there. This is a singular word, isn't it? We use much. On the other example, apples, teachers, desks, books. All these words have letter S, meaning these words are plurals. So we use many, meaning we can count. Okay. Now try to analyze this one. How much and how many? Everybody, can you read this conversation? The boys,
How much
rice.
how much do we have?
Okay, for the girls, read. We have
We have 5 kilos of
rice. Again, rice.
rice.
Very good. Don't say lice na. It's rice. Okay? When you say lice, that is other word that has negative or bad meaning. Okay? Lice. Just say rice. Okay? Next. Boys, read how many? 1, 2, 3, go. How many apples
Do we have?
again? Everybody read how many apples? 1, 2, 3, go.
How many apples do we have?
Do we have? Girls, read. We
We have 2 apples.
we have 2 apples.
2 apples.
Okay, now let's try to understand this. Example, we have vocabulary words here like butter, milk, sugar, money. Is this money? Yes, money. So all these examples is uncountable. We use how much. On the other hand, there are eggs, apples, bananas, and oranges. We use how many. So let's answer this. How much? Can you complete the sentence? How much?
How much
How much
How
How
much?
much butter do we have?
Okay,
do
how
we have?
much? How much butter do we have? Next.
How much How many eggs do we have? Do we have?
Okay, how many eggs do we have? This example, you see, we use plural words here, eggs. Okay. In this one, we use only butter, singular word. Okay, butter. But it's uncountable. Okay, next.
How
How much meat do you have?
How
you
much?
have?
Again,
Milk.
please.
We have
How much milk do we have?
How much milk do we have?
Next.
How much
sugar do we have?
How much sugar do we have? Next.
how much more
Money.
How much money do we have? Do we have?
Okay, how much money do we have? So next we go now. How many? Everybody say how many?
How many?
Okay.
How many apples do we have?
How many apples do we have? Next.
How many
How many
bananas
bananas
do we have?
Again.
do we have?
Bananas.
Banana.
Pronounce the S sound. Bananas. How many bananas do we have? Okay, next.
How many
Do
orange
we have?
we have?
How many oranges do we have? Okay. Practice one more time. Everybody say eggs. Eggs. There, there's a letter S there, so eggs.
We have
Say one more time, eggs.
Eggs.
When you say egg, only one, meaning egg, only one. But when we say eggs, many
how eggs do we
eggs.
Eggs.
Say the S sound, eggs. How many eggs do we have?
How many eggs do we have?
Okay, next, apples.
How many apples do we have?
Apples.
Apples.
Say the letter S. Apples. Apples. Because when we say apple, apple meaning only one, isn't it? When we say apples, meaning many. So, how many apples do we have? Okay, practice your letter S. Next, bananas. Again, bananas.
Do we have?
Do we have? How many bananas do we have? Okay, next, oranges.
How many oranges do we have?
Very good. How many oranges do we have? So what did you learn today? Hmm? Students, what do you learn for today? We learned how much, how many. So, practice your letter S sound, okay? Because letter S sound makes the word plural, meaning many. Okay, when we say eggs, meaning many. Okay. Can you see my pen? Do you see my pen? Example, this one. Can you see this one? Egg. Egg. Okay, meaning only one, isn't it? But this way is eggs. There is S. Say or pronounce the S sound. Eggs. That is important. Eggs. Meaning many. Okay, this letter S makes the word many, meaning two or more. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
How much sand? How about this one? Rhino.
How many rhinos?
Very good. Next, boat.
How many boats? How
Next,
many?
very good. Next, water.
How much water?
How much water? Very good. Next, sugar.
How much sugar?
How much sugar? Next,
Sugar. How many grapes?
how many grapes? Okay, so that is the use of much and many. Okay, just copy this one and answer in your book. So can you screenshot this picture? Screenshot this activity and I want you to copy. Okay, copy in your book. Oops. This one, no. Much. Don't copy this one, huh? Okay. Don't copy. Okay, take a screenshot and copy into your book. And after that, picture and send into our line group, okay? Okay. My baby's crying. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something from me.
Yes.
Okay. So do you have question? Do you have question? None. Okay, so this is Teacher Paul and say goodbye now. And have a good day. Stay safe. We have a very, very bad situation in this pandemic. So I hope everybody is safe. Okay?
Okay.
Exercise every day. Drink, eat, and eat a healthy food.